This video is brought to you by Big Al Lubricants.
All right, friends and neighbors, this is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. What I have for you today is an Icon 1967 Ford Mustang. Now this is probably most run-of-the-mill Mustang you'll find, yeah, and we'll get under the hood in a few minutes, but cool nonetheless. We'll back out and try to get a walk around on it. 1967. It's had some questionable bodywork performed on it in the past, but the old car's, it's just about all there. We actually had the motor running on it just a few minutes ago, and I added a little piece of that video. Looks like the car hadn't been on the road in a long time, but there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little shot of the inside of it. It does need floor pans bad. The rear floor pans are good, but as you can see right there, that one needs a pan bad. Is a stick car. Like I said, even got the original radio and stuff still in it, all the gauges and everything. Right there. We do have that other door panel. I found it in the car as well. But you can see, let's have the back seat, and the floors in the back look pretty good. But there's one thing on here. I'll try to get a shot of that. This car actually had an overhead console, which was pretty odd for a car like this. But I guess it's one of the original floor mats. It's pretty cool. But the windows and stuff rolled up and down. That might give it away to some of you Ford guys right there, what might be lurking under the hood. Try and get this open right quick. This is pretty cool. I always like the fronts of these cars. There it is. Inline 6 and a 3-speed. So, yeah, old car. Like I said, it's got a lot of bad, but it's got some good to it too. See, the grill now looks pretty good. And there it is. I just finished a walk around on it. That's what I'm trying to get over here. As you can see, the door panel. There's the clutch pedal pad. Had the dress-up kit on it. There's the trim for the trunk lid. And there we go. There's a book with lots of parts for it right there. Give somebody an idea. But there it is. I thought that steering wheel was kind of cool. That big cushion horn center though, and a padded dash. Like I said, all the gauges and stuff still in it, which is pretty cool. Like I said, that floor pan needs some work right there. But this one had the remote mirror, and I thought that there along the bottom of that door, that panel right there, is pretty cool. It's actually got a light. I don't know if you can see it there. That's in it. But shoot, yeah, 3-speed in the floor. There it is, 19. Still got 2 of the original hubcaps. I hope to find the other 2 pretty soon. But all the trim around the back glass looks good. Tail lights and all are in it. They look good. And there it is. Let me back up here. 1967 Ford Mustang. Inline 6. I think it's a 200 cubic inch. With a manual 3-speed transmission. And the old car, it's fairly straight. Just it's like a lot of old cars. Needs front floor pans and definitely needs some quarter panels. But nowadays, you can actually buy the conversion to do a fastback on these cars, change them from a coupe to a fastback. And I think you have to change the quarters to do that. So, if you've got a coupe that needs quarters anyway, that might be the time to do it. Make a fastback out of it. Yeah, this would be right along the lines of what they used on the Bullitt Mustang that Steve McQueen drove in the movie Bullitt. But it was a green fastback. So if you get a chance, you know, these cars are pretty popular. They're plentiful but popular. If you get a chance, you know you saw this one at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. This is Field Agent 880. If you see it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, likes, dislikes, as long as it's all in niceness. And hit the bell notification. They'll let you know when we get another video up. It's Field Agent 880 out.
Let wood to it.
You gotta be kidding me.